Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean a toaster oven. I also have another video on how to clean your air fryer, so if you are interested I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. But today I'm gonna focus on cleaning this Cuisinart toaster oven. This is a great toaster oven actually, but we've been using it pretty much every single day for the last few months, so it's really dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to quickly and easily clean with natural products. Everything I'm gonna be using in this video is pretty much Bon Ami powder. You can use a baking soda if you don't have this powder. I prefer this powder because I just use it for cleaning the kitchen, the bathroom. It's just very universal, and it doesn't scratch any surfaces. It's just like my go-to product. And I'm also gonna use this Go organic glass cleaner, but it's pretty much a vinegar cleaner. As an alternative, you can use white vinegar, but I'm gonna be using this. It just smells a little better than plain vinegar. And just Mayer soap. This one is peony because it's my favorite scent. I really like this dish soap. So yeah, these are the three products I'm gonna be using to clean this toaster oven. First things first, let's take everything out of this oven. This is also pretty dirty. I'm gonna scrub it in the sink. So first thing I'm doing here is getting rid of any crumbs, any powders, any dirt that I can just take off with microfiber cloth without using any products. You can also vacuum it, it's optional. But this works really well, as you can see. Now using another side, I'm gonna take all the dirt from the inside. Of course, make sure that your toaster oven is not connected to the power. By the way, those microfiber cloths are like amazing at cleaning anything. You don't even need to use any product, and look how much dirt I already got out of this toaster oven. So I'm gonna link them down below. It's like everything stacks to it. It's great. You don't need a vacuum. Wow, nice. Cool. Okay, and now I'm gonna apply Bon Ami all over this toaster oven door, and I'm gonna spray it with the organic glass cleaner. It's pretty much, I'm gonna show you the ingredients here. Here are the ingredients. You can see it's pretty much white vinegar with some fragrance and alcohol. So this is it. It just smells a lot better than plain white vinegar because, you know, it doesn't smell great, so this just has a nice scent, but works as well, if not even better. Okay, so I'm gonna let it sit. Also, optionally, if you will find that this layer of grease is really hard to take off, use dish soap. Use this dish soap. This is my favorite dish soap. It's by Mayer's, like I said before. I use it all the time. It smells great, but it also works great on any type of grease. Like even if I spill something on my shirt, I use this to get rid of stains. It actually works. It's great. So I'm gonna probably use this a little bit too, just to make sure that I take all the grease out. Okay, I'll need some soap. Not much better. Oh, it smells great. I love it. Actually, for this, I feel like sponge would be better. Okay, so I grabbed this non-abrasive sponge. And now I'm gonna use this side. increase. And as you can see, I mean, this is pretty easy. And this is the special non-abrasive sponge. It's not gonna damage your toaster oven. It's not gonna, leave any scratches. You can see already, like here, and here, like what a difference. Basically massage it in until the glass is smooth. I can already feel it. The grease is letting go, so our mixture of dish soap and barley is working. Nice. I just hate those grease stains on oven window. It's the worst. I can't see, what I'm cooking, so yeah, this is a great tip for you guys. Okay, so now we're just gonna dry it off with the microfiber, with the clean microfiber cloth. Of course, you don't wanna put back any dirt. So let's clean this up. Oh, wow, look how dirty this was. Amazing. That feels good. This is pretty satisfying. My favorite part of the cleaning, wiping everything and seeing the results. Okay, this looks really good. Look at that, you guys. This was, I already cleaned it first layer and then cleaning the second time. Amazing how much dirt I was able to get. And now I'm gonna just spray it again with this organic glass cleaner to just make sure we'll take off all the bone and meat. Yeah, I really like this cleaner because anytime I clean windows or mirrors, it doesn't leave any streaks, so that's why I like to just clean with it. And it's also natural, so that's nice, and it's cheap. Okay. Nice. Much cleaner. Now I'm gonna spray a lot of this product on the cloth, and I'm gonna wipe the toaster oven on the outside.